feel like Tim the Toolman Taylor.
I'm gonna put the Scotch motor in my wife's dishwasher. Let me adjust the clutch. I ain't ridden it in a while.
It's like a tractor, dude. I thought I was about to take the whole wall out. Fucker's just gonna keep going.
God damn, I ain't ridden it in a minute now.
Get her back. Call my mom.
First of all, we're gonna start with the Coors mullet. This is specially handcrafted for me.
So here she is, guys. I got this one with the 200S. Pretty much 225 bucks for the pair. And I sold it for 500, so I've made a little money on this one already. And it's pretty hideous. I got it running the other day, but I'm gonna go ahead and try and make her neat, man. Try and make it cute. Lift it up, rebuild it, do some suspension mods, a few other little things. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. There we go. Hey guys, basically wife told me, why don't I make me one that matches? So I'm not gonna pass up that opportunity to spend a little money and make me a Yamaha that I really enjoy. So those are always my favorite. I think this one needs a pipe and some sort of gnarly, you know, maybe we do like a KX65 carb or maybe a YZ80 carb, something like that, and modify the intake. I'm just gonna start by yanking the plastic first thing, and then I'm probably gonna pull this brake lever, pull the pipe. I'm gonna take the motor out maybe today, but we'll see. So I'm gonna look around here for my tripod. You wanna get something right? And you ain't got the motivation or something, just drink you a bang. You'll wake up, be feeling good and fresh and sexy and all kinds of stuff. Be feeling all kinds of different feelings. It may make you emotional. light. And I got it on the fucking inside for some reason. I'm gonna replace the chain anyways. Let me show you guys how to remove a chain. You hop on the Amazon, you're gonna get you a new chain. They got these chain breakers for breaking chains that you're gonna throw away anyways. See, there you go. Look, you ain't even gotta grab it, get your hand all dirty. You just grab it like a old fucking snake and then put it in the basket. Like a trash. Then you go to the throttle cable, you cut it, you cut the wiring harness in half, you cut the kill switch right here, and then cut the brake lines, and then all I gotta do is cut this off with a blowtorch here and here, and it'll be good to go. These are coming from the stadium. Here. Alright. I forgot one part. I kept it well greased and maintained. They really did a good job of keeping it greased and insulated with stuff. They got it insulated really well. As you can see, the bottom probably doesn't leak at all. That's why all this is here. So you get to do some seals, I imagine. Imagine there's something leaking in this area, and this general area it's got a leak. So we're gonna figure that out before we rebuild it. Almost done. All I gotta do is put up my shit. All done. I guess I can wash it with electronics on it first and then pull them, because they're pretty filthy themselves. Tore it down. How long is that video? 20. That stuff's probably not gonna get used much. I got some stuff to blast there and take apart. So I'm gonna get it taken apart and thrown in there and blast. All right, so see how she does. It's kind of sprinkling out here. I'm just gonna do it, and then tomorrow, oh really? Fucking seriously, dude? I guess I gotta use this simple mullet on it because I don't know what else to do. My degreasers have been used in somebody's fucked up haircut. That's the only real economical way, you know, to do this, is to degrease it and then let the rain. I mean, I'll come out here tomorrow. This thing will be like a tweaker clean this sumbitch. I mean, it'll look like somebody smoked a bunch of meth and fucking scrubbed it. That's how good it works.
Dude, I fucking jumped gear, man. Fuck this shit. You alright? Oh boy.
She's still alive though.
That's it.
Leave your last haul.
Time to cremate
Now
it, boys.
for the big guns. Someone get the trigger for me really quick. On where you should be. If you achieve 836 Coors, you could be way up here if you did it in a matter of 1 hour.